Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to recharge your Leica mobile online in just a few easy steps. First, open your browser and search for Leica Mobile Recharge. Then, click on the official Leica mobile website. Scroll down and tap on Quick Top Up or Prepaid Plans and Top Up. Next, enter your Leica mobile number, then choose the plan or top-up amount you want. For example, £10, £20, or £50. Once you've selected your plan, tap Confirm and Pay. You can pay using PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or other available methods. After completing your payment, your Leica mobile balance or plan will be updated instantly. And that's it! Quick and easy, you've successfully recharged your Leica mobile online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.